Hey guys, you are watching NetTech. Today I'm going to tell you how to connect two or three, four, whatever the devices. If you want to connect with each other, what you have to do, you have to pick first of all devices like PCs. There are two PCs and two laptops, and you have to connect with them. This is a switches, okay? And so using the wire, you can also use this wire. It is the wire which connect PCs and switch together is okay, and you have to do that. What you have to do, and then you have to add the IP address. So using IP address, this is the IP address. If you want to connect with them, you have to give them IP address 168.1.1. So this is the port one. You must have to add 192.16.8. So you must have to add them, and then click on enter. It will automatically you know make the subnet mask. So this is how we add the IP addresses to each port or each PC. So you have to use all these one like the same method you have to use, and it will automatically be created, and then you can send the message from this PC to this PC. I hope so you guys like it, so please subscribe for more.